Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching us on how to add bank to our Pioneer account. In my last tutorial, I teach us on how to open a Pioneer account. So on this account, I'm going to use my already verified Pioneer account to teach us on how to add a bank account on our Pioneer account. Last time I made the video, I told us that we should be careful. Now, all the information provided must be valid because Pioneer might ask for ID card. You can see this one now. Though the reason they are asking for ID card for this account is that I make a request for a particular bank. I think once that you hit the level, I'm going to teach you about the reason why they request for the ID card. So it's another bank entirely which we are going to use to add for payment purposes also. But I won't be teaching us today. I'll be teaching us. I will gather this, and once I reach there, we are going to see the story about it. I'm going to come back to it then when I tell you guys that reason why they ask verification. So though I've verified this account before. It's not my own account. Yeah, I bought it on the phone, but we are supposed to verify the account on before when they requested for it. But now they are still requesting again based on what I requested for from them. So let's go straight to the point for today's tutorial. So once you are ready to add your account, once you verify your account, you want to add your local bank to Pioneer because once they activate your account, they are going to give you dollar bank, USD bank, GBP bank, and also I think euro is it. US dollar, you can see money with US dollar, there's no money with euro, there's no money with GBP pounds. So we want to withdraw your money straight to your local bank. This is how you are going to add the bank. So you go to settings, click on banks. Let me look for a bank account I can add among my bank account. Let me read my bank account. So once you click on it, click on bank account for withdrawal. You're going to see most of the bank I've added my account before. I've added my GTB bank, I've added my First Bank account, I've added my UBA bank. This my UBA, I think I had it the last time I won a package in my account. That was the last time I had it. So I also have my other bank again. Let's click on. Once you come here, if it is a new account, there's also that maybe you have had a bank account before. What we are going to see here is a fresh new account. Click on add bank account. Okay, you have your national bank account. So for more information, click okay. Let me remove one bank so that I will just add again. Hold on, let me pause it and take the bank account more so that I can add again just for this tutorial purposes. I'll come with this. So welcome back. So I have to delete one of my accounts, one of my bank there. I will add again. So you click on this. So if you know we are open our account earlier, it asks for you to open for a personal account or business purposes. So we are going to go for the business with a personal account also. Choose your country, and from Nigeria, choose your currency. The currency they are talking about here is that which currency do you use to open your account in bank? It can be, do you open a dollar account, do you open a pounds account, do you open a Nigerian Naira account. So my account is Nigerian Naira, click on Nigerian Naira, then click on this, confirm your account details. So bank name, I'm adding my UBE, United Bank of Africa, my name, Abatunde, my account number, I put in my account number, I click on confirm, I can confirm the bank account below. You click on this. So okay, sorry, this is my personal. You did this, please. You see, they confirm your Pioneer account details. So they are asking for my Pioneer year, Pioneer month, and also Pioneer day, the date of birth I use for my account. Let me put that and come back to you. So I have to block my, sorry, for security purposes. I have to block my date of birth and co. So I've put my date of birth. So click on add bank. You put your password. You see. So once you click on it, the message will say to you that account approval usually take over 30 minutes. It will email you once it is successful. So You can just go straight to the email address. Just to they are going to send you visit your email address instantly. So let me check for my email address just to check if their messages have come in or not. So so you could see so they haven't messaged me yet. The message you see here that okay, this is one you could see the request to add a number account is under review. So once the successful happens, they are going to send me a message in my mail. You just keep on taking your mail. Once you see the messages of adding the Payoneer account, then you are good to go. Collect money from your Fiverr account, withdraw also to your Nigeria bank. So I'm going to do the video now how to withdraw directly to your USD account also. USD account. So that's it. So click like, subscribe, and share my video just for YouTube to rank my video also. So I'll be expecting a lot of tutorial on my channel. Of this, I'm trying to learn how to create freelancer Fiverr account. So I think I'll make a video next. Then we continue with Pioneer again. Because for Fiverr you can use Pioneer to collect money from Fiverr also. I'm going to teach us how to open an Upwork account also. So just stay tuned please. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.